Are you ready to transform your home into a sustainable oasis? From energy-efficient appliances to eco-friendly building materials, there are countless ways to reduce your carbon footprint and create a more environmentally conscious living space. Start by incorporating natural light with strategically placed windows and skylights to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Consider installing a rainwater harvesting system to collect and reuse rainwater for irrigation and household tasks. Opt for low-VOC paints and finishes to improve indoor air quality while reducing harmful emissions. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances and smart thermostats to save energy and lower utility bills. Embrace sustainable flooring options like bamboo, cork, or reclaimed wood for a stylish and eco-friendly touch. Create a green outdoor space by planting native plants and establishing a composting system. By making these sustainable choices, you can reduce your environmental impact and create a healthier, more eco-friendly home for you and your family.